This feels amazing.
Oh yeah.
We are out of the package.
Beautiful, man. Just so beautiful. I'm crying because it's so pretty here.
Stretch your leg, baby Carl. Just do it, man.
Oh, yes. Oh yes. I'm the first to enter eternity.
Well, there's no way to go, buddy. Yay! That's my guy.
Being buffed by the hands of a god. Danny boys. That grapes are called. She's peeling my fucking skin. Fuck.
No, please, no.
Please, you don't deserve that.
Oops.
They're eating children. Fucking children. We gotta run.
We are gonna die.
Hey! Snap the fuck out of it and run! Whoa! Okay, little buddy, you jump on the count of 3. 1, 2,
Carl?
run! Run!
Carl, Barb? What is it, Carl? Oh God, no, oh God, no! Carl, dear sweet Carl, what they have done to you, Carl? No! Ah!